At the University of Bristol, there's a range of services to support you through your studies and through life's ups and downs. If you ever need support, you can contact our student services and they'll help you get the answers you need. And if things get difficult, there's a simple way to reach out for help with your well-being. Fill in the Request Wellbeing Support form on the website and it goes straight to our team of wellbeing advisors who will support you directly or connect you to other helpful services. And if you're living in university residences, the Residential Life team are there to offer support 24/7. They also organise events and activities to help you get involved and make new friends. You can find out more on their Facebook page. So whether you're living on or off campus, we're here to support you throughout your university journey. Bookmark bristol.ac.uk/students today.